just chemicals and it isn't real. Prescribed for medicinal, just so we can feel that I overdosed on the drug. Got chemical burns. I'm addicted to your love, even if it hurts. But it doesn't it like it used to. No, it doesn't it like it used to. Like it used to, like it used to. We're different.